Question number 1. Why did Norma consider Mr. Stewart tone offensive? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं Mr. Stewart had already informed Norma, but when he came, Norma did not welcome him. Rather, she posed to be busy. His tone and attitude might be a little bit harsh that Norma considered to be offensive. Question number 2. Why did the old man not follow the advice of the doctor? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं The doctor advised old man not to walk even a length of city block. He advised him to take rest, but the old man had to go to the places he loved. He has to sift the soil from his fingers. He has to taste the vegetables grown by him, and even he has to live to raise the family of 5 children. That's why he did not act upon the advice of the doctor. Next question. How much dangerous a Martian virus can be? A Martian virus can be very dangerous. It can turn Earth people into Martians. Even it can burn their past and change their identities. Next question. What was the nature of woman's job? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं The woman worked in a hotel beauty shop. Every kind of woman, blondes, redhead and Spanish, came there. His duty was to serve them, and the hotel beauty shop stayed open till late night. Next question. Why did George give pocketbook to his employer? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं As George did not know how to read, that's why he gave pocketbook to his employer. Next question. What was the subject discussed at the club? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं The discussion was about opportunity and determination. Some said that for success, opportunity was needed, and others said that determination was needed for success. Next question. Why did the parents rebuke her? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं The girl behaved with doctor rudely. Even she knocked his glasses. At that, both parents rebuked her. Next question. How did the king recover? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं The king took pity on the boy. In return, Allah took pity on him. In this way, the king was recovered. Next question. What did the quack do with the old woman? The quack tied a blanket round her neck. Then he struck the swollen part with so much force that the poor old woman died instantly. Next question. What was the desire of every farmer? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं Every farmer desired that the locusts would overlook his farm and go on to another. Next question. What was the cause of Negroes' discontentment? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं Negroes were treated badly in every part of their country. They were considered inferior to white men. They did not enjoy equal rights. This was the cause of Negroes' discontentment. Next question. Why did Della sell her hair? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं Della needed money to buy a gift for Jim. She had no money. That's why she sold her hair to buy a gift for Jim. Next question. Describe Maulvi's appearance. हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं Maulvi Abul had slightly bulging eyes. He wore a turban on his head that was known as Mushadi Lungi. He always carried a walking stick with him. He wore silver rings on his fingers. He used fragranted oil. Next question. Why did the driver of the truck speed away after accident? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं The driver heard a shriek after accident. He felt that something serious had happened. He took advantage of the darkness and sped away. Next question. What time of the year it was? हम इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं When the author had a dream. It was a fortnight after Christmas. यानी कि ये क्रिसमस से 15 दिन की बात थी जब उसे ये ख्वाब आया था। आज के लेक्चर में हमने शॉर्ट स्टोरीज में से आने वाले चंद इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पर बात की। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। स्टे कनेक्टेड फॉर मोर वीडियोज़। अल्लाह हाफिज़।